Selling your services. A lot of skilled professionals face a harsh reality when they start offering their services to people. It's not as easy as it looks from the outside. Much like any small business opening its doors for the first time, skilled professionals find themselves facing competitors, lower prices from less qualified people, big chains, and the fact that they are the new face in town. The old-fashioned way of offering services has not changed that much over time. People still post ads on printed publications, yellow pages, and business directories to reach a mostly local audience. The more specialized they are, the more people contact them for their services. Now, the internet has made this a bit easier for simplifying the process while also offering more cost-effective alternatives. The problem is that online business directories tend to be unregulated. They make the management of a service-oriented business a bit of a headache, with all the record-keeping on paper and oftentimes unfriendly customers. What if I told you that Amazon gives you the opportunity to sell your services in its marketplace and manages your service-oriented business through its platform? That's right, you can make your job 10 times easier by selling your services on Amazon. Let's take a look at what it has in store for you. Amazon offers you the opportunity to sit back while you wait for your customers to order your services online. It is an amazing opportunity for professionals such as assemblers, home cleaners, handymen, and electricians to offer their services to local customers by only listing their services in the marketplace. One really cool thing about selling services on Amazon is that you can manage your job postings directly from the online platform or from a smart device, and only choose those jobs that neatly fit your schedule. This is a way more organized way to manage your business because you can easily fill up your schedule at your own convenience without having to accept orders. You can schedule them for later, something that often leads to an overcrowded schedule and rushed jobs. The benefits. No upfront costs. So, what are some of the benefits of this Amazon program? Let's start by saying there are no upfront costs to sell your services in the Amazon marketplace. Unlike traditional job posting channels that require you to pay in advance for posting, paying for advertising costs, or risk working in an unregulated environment, Amazon does not require you to pay startup fees, monthly subscription fees, or advertising fees. All you have to do is apply, which we will talk about in a minute. Real jobs. Another benefit is that you will be getting real jobs from real people. Long past are the days of catching whatever call or visit that could potentially lead you to a job. It is invite only. One cool benefit of the selling services on Amazon platform is that the company handpicks its service providers, so you only share space with the best. No more dealing with sketchy experts. Leverage the trust of Amazon. Lastly, you have the benefit of working nowhere else other than the Amazon platform, which is a trusting environment full of pre-existing, loyal Amazon customers that help your business to continue growing. That will in turn help you to fine-tune your professional skills. How does it work? It's pretty simple indeed. After entering the marketplace, you get discovered by customers interested in the type of service that you offer. Amazon facilitates this because your customers don't need to be looking for your services in order to find you. They just need to be shopping on Amazon for products related to your service to stumble upon your offer. People looking for tools to make home repairs on their own can stumble upon your job ad and decide if they would rather have the repair done by a professional. Boom, you get an order. Does that sound good? Yes, indeed. Amazon will also send you jobs when customers place an order for certain prepackaged services. Sometimes said customers will need a custom service, so you'll have to give them an estimate. Finally, you get paid for every completed job and every satisfied customer, all under Amazon's wing. What are the costs? As we said, there are no upfront costs to join the platform and sell your services. There are fees in the form of shared revenue for every completed job. These fees are a percentage of the final price paid by customers for your service that will be deducted from your final payment. Depending on how you offer your services, these services and their tied fees are as follows. Prepackaged services. These are services that have a defined scope and result, such as TV wall mounting, moving services, and house cleaning. For services costing up to $1,000, there's a 20% fee, and for services costing from $1,500 upwards, there's a 15% fee. Custom services. Custom services are those that require detailed input from the customer. These are projects that do not have a defined scope, such as electrical wiring and weed control. For services costing up to $1,000, there is a 15% fee. And for services costing from $1,500 upwards, there is a 10% fee. Recurring services. These are services that are set for a recurring schedule, such as standard lawn maintenance and regular pool cleaning services. Fees for recurring services are fixed at 10% over the final price. Getting started. Getting started is easy enough. You first need to apply with an application which needs to be approved by Amazon. You'll be sent an activation link to activate your service account. Once your account is approved and registered, Amazon will run a background check on your business and on your track record as a technician. This is because Amazon only wants the best and most dependable professionals offering their services in the marketplace. So you're off to a good start. After your background check is complete, you'll have to complete your account setup by specifying your coverage locations and the type of services that you offer. Then you'll start getting jobs. To apply, just head to the Make Money With Us section on the Amazon homepage and click on Sell Your Services on Amazon. Then click on the Apply Now button. Once there, scroll all the way down to reach the Apply to Selling Services on Amazon form. When you click on the Select Service category, you can see the many categories under which you can list your services. Then you get to select your primary profession and a secondary profession related to your services. Then select a business type and a service type. Lastly, you'll have to enter your business name as well as your personal info. Click on Submit and wait for approval. Now you're ready to start your service-oriented business journey.